Here's how to install the Kick streaming app on your laptop or PC. This only works in Microsoft Edge, not Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser. The reason is that Edge supports installing progressive web apps natively on Windows, which is how Kick gets installed as a desktop application. Other browsers either do not support this feature or require additional steps. Open Microsoft Edge and go to kick.com. Once the site loads, click the three dots in the top right corner, select Apps, and click Install Kick. Click Install to confirm, and the app will install immediately. After installation, you may notice the Kick icon is not on your desktop. To fix this, go back to kick.com in Edge, click the three dots again, select App Settings, and click Create Desktop Shortcut. Your Kick app will now appear on your desktop and can be launched directly without opening a browser. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.